Ben Ems just with a quick wrap from the livestock markets at CTLX for this week. A few less numbers in the cattle market on Tuesday, about 2,700 I think the draw was. Generally the market, following on the trends of all the markets over the last week, is just starting to feel a bit of weight of numbers, and just softer across the board. You know, cows off maybe, I'd say they would have quoted them back 10 cents. The best of the cows this week getting stopped just in the teens. Again, still a lot of good cows making north of $3, $3 to $3.10, but generally just a fraction softer than the week prior. Feeder cattle, noticeably, they were cheaper. Not a hell of a lot of depth in the buying field, chasing it, especially on the black, the proper black steers. The best of those getting stopped around in the mid 80s. Feeder heifers, likewise, back maybe 10 cents or so, 330s to 340. So generally just softer across the board. It's just weight of numbers. I think this flush rolls through. A little bit of a double up this week too for those Monday markets because of Australia Day next week. So they're doubling up this week, so it just puts a bit of a lump in the system. It's just these numbers work through, and I think then we see the market on a rise. We want a shower of rain. This hot weather won't be helping. But anyhow, that'll work its way out. Lamb market yesterday, Carcoar at the present, the tablelands, we're in the real in-between season. The woolly lambs have basically run out. The shorn lambs are yet to really come on. Around 3,000 lambs there, 3,500 lambs there yesterday. It was solid, I thought, on anything that was good, sold to good levels, making consistently in the mid $8 region. The best of the heavier lambs there, I think, got into the $240 odd range. But all the better lambs making north of 200 and well north of 200, like they're consistently making mid eights. It's just, you got to get the weight in them. Good runs of shorn store lambs there, making from mid 140s to mid 150s, so reasonably solid. Sheep market again selling to similar levels. The best of the heavier sheep making up to $120 or $30, so pretty similar levels to the to previous weeks. I just would like to make note, Elisa and Georgia are attaching to the in our weekly reports now. We've got attaching a column from Richard Koch from the Elders Market Analytics team, just giving you some more, intel from some different sources. Certainly something that I think is worth a read. So I hope you've had a chance to have a look at that last week. You'll find it attached to the column every week. Anyhow, enough from me. I hope you have a great Australia Day weekend. Throw a chop on the barbie, isn't it? That's the go. Anyhow, enjoy it. Have a beer. Talk to you next week. Bye.